ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Manika class 9 Samskrita textbook. In that, Saptamaha Pathaha Tarave Namostu, salutations to the tree. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English. Question number 1. संस्कृत भाषया एकपदेन उत्तरं लिखता means answer the following questions in one word in Samskrita. Satpurushaah iva ke santi, who are similar to noble or virtuous persons. Answer is taravaha means trees. Arthinah kebhyo nirashaah na yanti, desirous people do not return disappointed. From whom? Answer is mahiruhebhyah. Kebhyah mahiruhebhyah. You have to maintain the same vibhakti. Mahiruhebhyah means from trees. वृक्षः कस्य सुखस्य हेतोः सर्वं अर्पयति. For the purposes of whose happiness does a tree offer everything? Anyasya, we have to maintain the same vibhakti. Kasya, anyasya, for the purpose of others. It may be human beings, it may be birds, animals, and serpents, and so on. आम्रः जनानाम् अति तापं kaya dalayati. How does a mango tree keep away the torment caused by heat of the people? Chayaya, by means of its shade. Kasya taroho katuta dahahantri, the bitterness of which tree quenches the thirst? Answer is Nimba Vrikshasya, of the lemon tree. Chandanasya shakhaah kaihi ashritaah, the branches of a sandalwood tree, by whom are they taken shelter? Answer is Vihangaihi, by birds. Kaihi Vihangaihi, same vibhakti. Tasya moolam bhujangaihi ashritam, the roots of which tree are taken shelter of by serpents? Chandana Vrikshasya. Same vibhakti here also. Kasya Chandana Vrikshasya, of the sandalwood tree. Next question. Samskrita bhashaya Purnavakyena Uttaram Likhata. Answer the following questions in full sentences in Samskrita. Vrikshaha parebhyaha kim kurvanti. What do trees do to others? Vrikshaha parebhya chayam kurvanti. They offer shade. Phalani api yachanti. They also yield fruits. Mahiruhaha kimartham dhanyaha. Why are trees blessed? Arthinah janaha mahiruhebhyah nirashaha na yanti. Desirous people do not ever return disappointed from trees. Ataha mahiruhaha dhanyaha. Therefore, trees are indeed blessed. Taravaha kaihi sadhanaihi aparesham kaman vitanvate. By what means do the trees satisfy the needs of others? Answer is Taravaha Patra Pushpa Phala Chaya Moola Valkala Darubhi Gandha Niryasa Bhasma Asti Tokmaihi Cha Aparesham Kaman Vitanvate, means they satisfy the needs of others by means of their leaves, flowers, fruits, shade, roots, bark, and timber or wood, fragrance, sap, then ashes, then skeleton or frame, and also their skin. Chandana padapasya vividhani angani kaihi ashtritani. The various parts of a sandalwood tree, by whom are they taken shelter of? The answer is Chandana padapasya moolam bhujangaihi. The roots by serpents, shikharam plavangaihi. The top of the tree by monkeys, shakha vihangaihi. The branches by birds, kusumani bhrangaihi. And the flowers by bees, honey bees. Cha ashritani santi. Mudha manujaha kim gayanti. What do dull-minded people sing? Answer is Mudha manujaha nimba vrakshasya krite dosha gathaha gayanti. They sing songs of insult with respect to the lemon tree. Vrikshaha anya sukhasya hetoho kim dhatte. What load does a tree bear for others' purposes? Vrikshaha anya sukhasya hetoho kusuma patra phalavalinam bharam dhatte. It takes the load of all of these things. That's the answer. Next question is an interrogative question, means you have to form questions. Kaha and ka are who in masculine and feminine. Kim is what in neuter. Kutra where. Kati how many. Kada when. Kutaha from where. Katham is how. Kimartham why. Kidrishaha kidrishi kidrisham what kind of in masculine, feminine and neuter. I have always been telling you that you have to remember these three tables. Kaha kau ke in pullinga, ka ke kaha in strilinga, kim ke kani in napumsakalinga. And I have also shown you some examples, the same examples. Raja becomes kaha, Rama becomes ka, and so on. Sthula padani adhritya prashna nirmanam kuruta. Frame questions using the words in bold. Vrikshanam phalani api pararthaya bhavanti. Very easy. It will be Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachana Kasmai bhavanti. Kasmai, you should not forget the question mark. Vrikshanam phalani api kasmai bhavanti pararthaya bhavanti. Taravah swa vibhutibhihi sarvesham kaman purayanti. Sarvesham is very easy. It is kesham. Shashti bahuvachana in pullinga. Kesham kaman. Next, Chandana padapaha samantat satvaihi आश्रितः वर्तते कैः. Very easy. Vrikshaha swayam atape. Atape means they stand in the heat. Surya atape, heat of the sun. So the answer is kutra. It's a location. So kutra tishtanti. Chandanasya moolam bhujangaihi. Similar to satvaihi here. Kaihi will also come here also. Tarave namaha astu. So kasmai namaha astu. Mahiruhebhya arthenah. Very easy. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachana ke. Kaha kauke. If you see here, kaha kauke. This is the word to be used. I hope you understand how we got the words in green in this particular slide. Next question. अधोलिखित प्रश्नान् यथा निर्देशम उत्तरता. Answer as directed. धन्या महीरुहा येभ्यो निराशायान्ति नार्थिनः. अस्मिन् वाक्ये कर्तृपदम किम? In this sentence, which is the kartrupada or the subject word? This is a somewhat tricky question. There are two sentences embedded in this one sentence. Mahiruhaha dhanyaha santi yebhyaha arthinaha nirashaha na yanti, which means there are two kartrapadas. Mahiruhaha is one kartrapada and arthinaha is one more kartrapada in this sentence. But if we look at the yanti verb which comes, arthinaha is connected to yanti. So we tell arthinaha as the main kartrapada in this particular sentence. Next one. Gayantu mudha manujaha tava doshagathah. Asmin vakye mudha manujaha iti kartrapadasya kim kriyapadam. For this mudha manujaha, what is the verb? Answer is gayantu. Next one, nimba त्वदीय कटुता यदि दाहहन्त्रे अस्मिन् वाक्ये मधुरता इति पदस्य किं विलोम पदं प्रयुक्तम्? Madhurata is sweetness. You have to find the opposite word in this sentence, that is katuta, which means bitterness. अहो येषां वरं जन्म सर्वप्राणि उपजीवनम्. अस्मिन् वाक्ये वरम् इति पदस्य किं विशेष्यपदं प्रयुक्तमस्ति? But the word varam, what is the corresponding noun? The answer is janma. Last one, पाठात् याचकाः इति पदस्य पर्यायपदं चित्वा लिखत. So yachakaha is the word. We have to find the synonym from the lesson. The answer is arthenaha. We go to the next question. Samuchitan viparyayan chitva likhata. Match the opposite meaning words. Katuta opposite is madhurata, as we just now saw. Doshagathaha opposite is gunagathaha. Doshagatha means songs of insult, whereas gunagatha means songs of praise. Janma opposite is maranam, very easy. Atapaha opposite is chaya. Atapa means heat. Chaya means shade, the coolness of the shade. Nirasha opposite is asha, very easy. Koshtakat shuddham artham chitva likhata. Choose the correct meaning from the brackets and write them. This is, how did you read this word? This is not dharmaha. This is dharmaha. Karmaha, as I've shown here. And you can imagine that the word garam in Hindi has been derived from this Sanskrit word. In fact, I would go one step further and say that this garam became perhaps varam when it went to Europe, and it became warm. W-A-R-M, the warm. The word warm in English is perhaps derived from this. My teacher has always been telling me that a good number of words in English have their roots in Samskrita. So I would leave it as a homework to you, not today, not tomorrow, sometime later in your life, to find out those words in English which really have their roots in our Sanskrit language. As I said, garam comes from garmaha. Garam means warm. So the answer is atapaha. So dharmaha. See this word dharmaha and gharmaha here, they both appear very similar in the when written down, whereas the meanings are completely different. Darubhihi, the word is kasthaihi, which is shown here by means of the timber. Mahiruhaha means vrikshaha, trees. Samantat means all around, sarvataha. Here, plavangaihi, answer is vanaraihi, by monkeys. I have also underlined the words here. Next question. अधोलिखितस्य श्लोकस्य समुचितं शीर्षकं चिनुता. For the following shloka, choose the correct title. Moolam bhujangaihi, shikharam plavangaihi, and so on. The correct title is Ashrayadata Chandana Padapaha. The sandalwood tree, which is a shelter for so many animals, birds, serpents. Vishaktah Chandana Vrikshaha and Surabhitah Chandana Vrikshaha don't capture the full meaning of this particular shloka. Kaihi kim ashritam iti vicharya samuchita melanam kuruta. So these are all the animals and birds, insects and so on. This is the place where they take shelter or which they seek. Bhujangaihi moolam, the roots by the serpents. Plavangaihi shikharam, the top of the tree by monkeys. Shakhaha vihangaihi, that is the birds take shelter in the branches. And bhringaihi kusumani, so the bees, honey bees, take shelter in the flowers. Next question. Kathanam adhritya vrikshasya nama likhata, based on the statement at the name of the tree. So they have already given one example, Kharjura vrikshaha. Mama katuta dahahantri param pitta tapan duri karoti, the bitterness of my fruit will not only quench the thirst but also remove the any pitta dosha, the torments caused by pitta or bile. Answer is nimba vrikshaha. Vasante prapte pushpa saurabha phalaprachuraha me shakhaha santi. So at the onset of spring, these things will be abundant on my branches. Answer is amra vrikshaha, mango tree. Mama mule bhujangaha santi tathapi paratapam nashami. Once you see these two words, mule bhujangaha, then immediately say it is chandana vrikshaha or sandalwood tree. Next question. Adholikitanam panktinam anvayam kuruta. Write the anvayas for the following shlokas. Gayantu mudha manujaha tava dosha gatha. The first step for doing this is to do the padacheda or padavibhaga, which I have been doing all along. So the answer is mudha manujaha tava doshagathaha gayanto. Yaha sarvam arpayati cha anyasukhasya hetoho. Answer is yaha cha anyasukhasya hetoho sarvam arpayati. Nasti eva tat चंदनपादपस्य यत् न आश्रितं सत्वभरैः समन्तात्. चंदनपादपस्य तत् न एव अस्ति यत् समन्तात् सत्वभरैः न आश्रितम्. These are the three अन्वयास. Next, अधोलिखितस्य अन्वयस्य पूर्तिम् उचित अव्ययपदैः कुरुता. Complete the अन्वयास for the following using proper अव्ययपद, indeclinable words. आम्रा यद्यपि ते दिवसाः गताः ये पुष्प सौरभ फलप्रचुराः भवन्ति स्म हन्त तथापि सम्प्रतिच्छायया एव जनानाम् अतितापं दलयति. नेक्स्ट, अस्मिन् अन्वये क्रियापदानि रिक्तानि सन्ति तानि तत्र लिखता. राइट द मिसिंग वर्ब्स हियर. यः वृक्षः कुसुम पत्र फलावलीनां भरं धत्ते घर्म व्यथां वहति शीतभावं रुजं च यः अन्य सुखस्य हेतोः च सर्वं अर्पयति तस्मै वदान्य गुरवे तरवे नमः अस्तु. These are the answers. Now they have given an interesting question in the end of this lesson. Madhya Koshtakat Kartripadam Vichitya Vakya Chatushtayam Rachayata Avyaya Padani Cha Rekhankitani Kurta. Means they have given the central word here and you have to form 4 sentences using these 4 parts. We'll do that. Vrikshaha swayam sada atape tishtanti, like that. That's the first sentence. Vrikshaha phalani api parebhyah yachanti. The second sentence. Vrikshaha pararthe bhrisham pidam anubhavanti. Third sentence here. And fourth one is Vrikshaha chayam anyasya khalu kurvanti. Fourth sentence. Now what else to do? We have to identify the indeclinables. That is what I have shown you here. Tada, api, bhrisham and khalu. These are the 4 indeclinables or avyaya padas in these 4 sentences. Well, this brings me to the end of this lesson, end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.